myself at 16, 'cause I was in love with you, but you didn't even know my name. And I know that you won't want me, 'cause I'm just a teenage zombie, but I don't care about your body, I want your brain.
Jack and Jill went up that hill for a walk. Baby, I'm tired. Baby, I'm bored. We got nothing in this life, and I want more. I can say